So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in navigation block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and add in a navigation block, you can go around over here on the top right here just like this, and then in between two blocks click on the plus button. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go around and then let's say for example type in navigation right here just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that navigation block is an option. So the navigation block simply has links to all of your other pages right here. So you can go ahead, keep it on the top, let's say for example, and align it out and make it wide right here or make it full width as well. Let's make it wide right here. So over here you can see that this is the menu just like this. So by default you got these pages, but you can go ahead and add in, let's say for example, a custom link right here as well, just like this. So I can simply go around over here, and then in the text I'm going to type in TutorTube, and then I can simply link that out as well. So over here in the add link section, you can see that I got the TutorTube link right here. So I can simply go around over here and let's say for example add a block right here just like this and add in a custom link, and I'm going to go ahead and add those in right here. So let's just go around over here. Let me try that out again right here. So I'm just going to type in youtube.com right here slash TutorTube just like this. So I can do this as well. And then add in my custom link right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can simply go ahead and erase this in the text and the link stays as it is. So this is what you have, and with this you can also go ahead and edit this out, as you can see, and you can change around the order right here of the blocks as well. And you can also go around over here, move it up and down on or add a sub menu link as well, just like this. So apart from that, you can also go ahead, work around with the justification right here, and then you can go for the mobile mode right here, or have an always mobile mode as well, so that it gets the hamburger icon right there and so forth. Then you can also open and click or simply show an arrow right here. So apart from that, you can go ahead and change around the text color. As you can see, you can go ahead and change around the background color right here, and change around the sub menu color right here just like this, and the overlay color as well. You can go ahead and change around the size of the title as well, just like this, and work around with the block spacing right here just like this as well. So if I were to go ahead and click on the save button now right here, I can go ahead and then let's say for example view the post by making it full screen, and then this is what you have, as you can see right here. You got the gallery page right here, go back, and then you got the about page and the TutorTube link, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around and add a navigation block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.